Hey, what's up, world? I know it's been a while since I made a video, but as you can see, this is not my Versa. Sadly enough, the transmission in that gave out. So I ended up selling it and buying this. This is a Mark 7 GTI with the performance package. It's a 2-liter turbo. This is the, as I call it, the Dapper GTI. This is the first Volkswagen I've ever owned slash first turbo car I've ever owned. And for the past couple of weeks, I'm actually enjoying it. This is the automatic with the paddle shifters. I mean, I already know a lot of y'all are going to say I should have got the manual, blah, blah, blah. But this particular model was given to me at, when I say steal, I do mean a steal. So I ran with it, drove it home a couple days after I test drove it, and I've been happy ever since. Other than that, um, for all you other VW owners, if you have any suggestions on mods, downpipes, intakes, suspension, things like that, feel free to comment and let me know because I have no idea what direction to take this. Any type of information about this car will help. But yeah, like I said, this is my Mark 7 GTI. This is the 5-door. With the performance package and sitting on 18s. Yeah, 18s. Pirellis. Um, 225 40 18s. Tires actually have pretty good traction. I've actually broken them loose almost with the traction control on. The way I drive sometimes, I'm honestly scared to turn the traction control off. So yeah, I'll probably do that once I get the balls enough to try it out. But like I said, any suggestions on what to do with this car, please feel free to let me know. My name is Ace. This is my Mark 7 GTI.